In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI blocks in the workflow builder in monday.com. Let's dive right in and start by accessing the workflow builder. First, open your monday.com board and look for the automate button at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the automation center where you'll find the workflow builder beta option. Select it and you'll be welcomed by a blank canvas designed specifically for building workflows from scratch. You also have the option to choose from a variety of templates to get started. To make things even quicker, you can use the search bar at the top by typing Workflow Builder. Once inside, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the layout. The Workflow Builder is comprised of blocks, each representing different tasks like actions, triggers, and AI steps. Trigger blocks are the events that initiate your workflow, such as when the status changes or when a new item is created. Then we have action blocks, which determine the task performed after a trigger occurs. For example, sending an email notification or moving an item to a different group. Most intriguing are the AI blocks, which harness the power of Monday AI to perform smart automation tasks like writing, summarizing, or deciding on actions dynamically. You can design your custom automation sequence by dragging these blocks around as you see fit. Next, let's create your first trigger. Click on the plus add block button and select trigger. For example, you might choose when item is created or any other condition fitting your needs. It's crucial to give your trigger a descriptive name to identify how your workflow will start each time this event occurs. Picture something like when a new task is created in the design requests board. Now to add an AI block. After you've set up your trigger, click the plus icon following it and select AI block. Use Monday AI. You can choose from options like summarizing item details, generating task descriptions, prioritizing requests, or suggesting next steps. For instance, you might have the AI summarize the new request and suggest next actions based on urgency and type. The AI block will then analyze your board data, taking into consideration aspects like text context, status, and priority to generate a sophisticated output. Following this, let's add action blocks to determine what happens with the AI-generated content. Click to add another block and select action. Decide if you want to update an item, post an update, create a new item, or send notifications via Slack or email to relevant stakeholders. An example could be AI analyzing a client request, generating a summary, and then automatically posting it in the updates section to notify the account manager. To ensure everything functions as expected, you can test the workflow by clicking Run Test in the top right. Adding a test item to your board will allow you to